Very beautiful good morning to class 12 biology students. Now we are going to discuss our next topic, that is gametogenesis. Gameto means gametes, genesis means formation. It means the process of formation of gametes. It means ova in a sperm, that is known as gametogenesis. The process of formation of sperms in male, it is known as spermatogenesis. And the process of formation ova in female, it is known as oogenesis. So firstly, today we are going to discuss the process of spermatogenesis. Okay. In this process, in spermatogenesis, the sperms are formed from the sperm mother cells, which are also known as male germ cells and spermatogonia. As we have already discussed, the structure of testes, inside the testes, testicular lobules are present, and every testicular lobule is made up of 1 to 3 highly collative structures which are known as seminiferous tubules. So inside the seminiferous tubules, the male germ cells, or you can use the word male sex cells, sperm mother cells and spermatogonia are present, which are basically diploid in nature. Firstly, when the spermatogenesis starts, these spermatogonia start to increase its number by the process of mitosis and form so many spermatogonia. बहुत सारी spermatogonia बनाती है, and all are diploid in nature because they are formed by the equational division, by the mitosis. Now, out of these spermatogonia, some spermatogonia act like, कुछ spermatogonia किसकी तरह act करने लगती हैं? They start to act like primary spermatocyte. Okay, out of these so many spermatogonia, some cells start to enlarge, thicken their cytoplasm and prominent their nuclei and start to act like a primary spermatocyte. Okay, now this primary spermatocyte start to divide by meiosis first phase. As already we know about that meiosis has two phases, meiosis first and meiosis second. So firstly, this primary spermatocyte divide by meiosis first and form two haploid cells, and these are known as secondary spermatocytes. It means, as we have already discussed in our first video, that after the meiosis, two daughter cells are formed which have the half number of chromosome compared to their mother cell. So primary spermatocyte has diploid number of chromosome, but by the meiosis first, it divides into two daughter cells which are called secondary spermatocytes, and they are haploid in nature. Again these cells divide by the process of meiosis second. ये सेल फिर से डिवाइड करती हैं meiosis second के थ्रू and form four haploid daughter cells which are known as spermatids, जिनको क्या कहते हैं हम? Spermatids. These spermatids changes their structure, they transform their structure and changes into spermatozoa. Changes into spermatozoa, which are also called sperms. Okay. Firstly, the spermatogonia divides in to multiply, to increase their number, which are known as primary spermatocytes. It means out of these so many spermatogonia, some act like primary spermatocyte. These primary spermatocyte divide by meiosis first and form two haploid cells which are known as secondary spermatocyte. And again these secondary spermatocyte divide by meiosis second and form four haploid spermatids which changes their structure and forms the spermatozoa or sperms. This process is known as spermiogenesis. जो spermatids बनते हैं वो किस में चेंज होते हैं? दे चेंजेस इनटू स्पर्म्स और स्पर्मेटो zoa, and this process is known as spermiogenesis. Okay, now these sperms take nourishment from the Sertoli cells and they releases from seminiferous tubules, and this process is known as स्पर्मिएशन. जो स्पर्मेटिस बने सबसे पहले वो किसमें चेंज हुए, स्पर्म्स में या फिर स्पर्मेटोजोआ में. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस. Now these sperms take nourishment from the Sertoli cells and the release from the seminiferous tubule, and this process, the release of sperm from the seminiferous tubule, it is known as spermiation. So this is the whole process of spermatogenesis, which starts from the spermatogonia and end up to the sperms. Sperms are the products, sperms are the gametes, and the male germ cells, the mother cells of this process are spermatogonia, or we can also use the word sperm cells, sperm mother cells, male germ cells, male sex cells. Okay, now we will discuss the hormonal control of spermatogenesis, because we know that every process is controlled by some hormones. So there are some hormones which control this process, and the process starts from the GnRH हार्मोन. जो प्रोसेस है वो स्टार्ट होती है GnRH हार्मोन से, दैट इज गोनेडोट्रोपिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन. दिस हार्मोन इज सिक्रेटेड बाय द सुपरमास्टर ग्लैंड ऑफ आवर बॉडी, that is called hypothalamus. Now this GnRH activate our anterior pituitary, by which our gonadotropin hormones become active, जिससे हमारे गोनेडोट्रोपिन जो हार्मोन्स हैं वो एक्टिव हो जाते हैं. विच आर टू, जो दो हैं. फर्स्ट इज LH, that is luteinizing hormone, and another is FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. Now they act differently on the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system पर अलग अलग तरीके से एक्ट करते हैं. Firstly, the LH, luteinizing hormone, act on Leydig cells which start to secrete एंड्रोजेंस, विच आर द मेल हॉर्मोन्स. LH किसको एक्टिवेट करते हैं, लेडिंग सेल्स को, जिसके रिवर्स में क्या बनता है, एंड्रोजेंस बनते हैं. एंड एंड्रोजेन आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू कंडक्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस. नाउ द अनदर गोनेडोट्रोपिन इज FSH, विच एक्टिवेट द Sertoli cells, and these Sertoli cell फॉर्म सम स्पेशल फैक्टर्स, कुछ स्पेशल फैक्टर्स बनाती है मेल के सिस्टम में, विच हेल्प्स इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस. इट मीन्स द कन्वर्जन ऑफ स्पर्मेटिड्स इन स्पर्मेटोजोआ. सो आई एम रिपीटिंग द होल प्रोसेस. द प्रोसेस स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द हाइपोथैलेमस सुपरमास्टर ग्लैंड, विच स्टार्ट टू सिक्रेट द गोनेडोट्रोपिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन्स, by which anterior pituitary become active, and its hormone gonadotropin. Gonadotropin means which activate our gonads, male and female reproductive parts, start to secrete LH and FSH, luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. And next, these LH act on the Leydig cells, which start to secrete androgens, and androgen are responsible for the process of spermatogenesis. Another is follicle stimulating hormone, which act on the Sertoli cell. Sertoli cell forms some important factors which are responsible for the process of spermiogenesis. So this is the whole thing about the spermatogenesis, how the sperms are formed and how this process is controlled by the hormones. Next time we will discuss the oogenesis process. Okay, till then, goodbye, have a beautiful day.